Activating the Pier 3 system is done from this control panel immediately inside the sliding door. It has the on-off switch and a state of charge gauge. To turn the system on, simply to press the on-off switch, and the system will activate. It'll take just a moment for the inverter to turn on to supply 110 volt power. There you heard the fan and the beep from the microwave indicating that the system is fully activated. At this point, it's just like being plugged into 30 amp 110 volt power. Everything in your coach is usable. The state of charge gauge has a series of numbers and also colored bands along the outside. The colored bands denote full to empty in the usable range of the gauge. So fully charged will be, as shown here, at the top of the green band, and empty will be down at the red.